If you ask me what's that one festival I enjoy the most here at IC Bangalore, without a doubt, it's gonna be Ganesh Chaturthi because the next 4 or 5 days are gonna be the most peaceful, calm and most rejuvenating days here in the campus. Abhi just Ganesh Bhagwan aa rahe hain. There's gonna be a grand entry. This, what you see on the back is the mandap. I'll give you a complete tour right now, and I'm super excited. I understand we as students have a lot of constraints. हमको बहुत सारा काम नहीं कर पाते हैं. We are usually busy with our work, busy with our studies, busy with our research. But this one period for 4 5 days जहाँ पे हम प्यार से शांति से एक फेस्टिवल enjoy करेंगे and it's gonna be beautiful. This is the TMC ground. यहाँ पे गणेश भगवान स्थापित किए जाएंगे and it's empty because अभी आपको दिखाया मैंने रास्ते में सब लोग थोड़ा सा डेकोरेशन is still pending. You can see those pillars and all. But this area is going to be so happening. कल से ना इतने सारे लोग होंगे यहाँ पे, प्रसाद बट रहा होगा वहाँ पे, कुछ लोग डांस कर रहे होंगे, बैंड्स होंगे and everything. Look at this beautiful rangoli and look how beautifully they have done the decoration. पूरा कैंपस वापस से सजा दिया इन लोग ने. एक अंदर की ओर बताता हूँ आपको. So ISC has a lot of communities, like there are Marathi communities, Hindi communities and बहुत सारी ऐसी छोटी सी communities है. Few years back हर कोई अपने अपने अलग पूजा करते थे. मतलब let's say किसी block में अलग गणेश जी रखे हुए हैं, कहीं पे और रखे हुए हैं. But कुछ साल पहले they decided for good कि अपन पूरे campus में एक गणेश भगवान रखेंगे and we'll all come in unison and participate and celebrate. And that's what's happening for the last 3 4 years. And that's why you see such grand decorations, such grand parties, because funding is good और सब लोग साथ में आके जो enjoy करते हैं ना, वो अलग अलग बिल्कुल नहीं हो पाता. And it has started raining of course because it's Bangalore, and I'll take you to the main gate जहाँ पे entry हो रही है. We're gonna have so much fun. Let's go. I have missed my dinner, but every time some event happens in institute, they extend the mess timing. So normally it's until 9, but because there was a function, it is extended to 9:10. But it's 9:15 already, so कुछ मिलेगा नहीं mess में. But I'll try my best. I'll go and see if there's something. स्थापना कल सुबह होगी 9 बजे. One more reason, one good reason for me to wake up early tomorrow. Now for this week, every time I go to the lab or go to a class, I'll first come here and I'll take the blessings and then I'll go. And believe it or not, my day will go well because Papa की blessing साथ में होगी. And of course, I'll get some prasad and some tika. Very important. Well, great work is happening in the theme. So you can see that Brahmos missile, Akash missile, and this. And you can see हमें भैया सुबह से यहाँ पे is like up to work, and you can see those posters वहाँ पे भी लगना शुरू हो गए. अमय भैया हमारे सीनियर और करता धरता ऑफ ऑल दिस गणेश चतुर्थी का इवेंट.
2022 से पहले मराठी मंडल, ओडिया मंडल, तेलुगु मंडल सब लोग अलग अलग करते थे. नाउ इन 2022 वी and Employee Association, I was the president of Marathi Mandal that time. We got together with a thought of one campus, one Ganesha. It is also eco-friendly, it is also sustainable environmentally, and also
it unites the campus.
It unites the campus.
Yeah, that's one reason कि गणेश चतुर्थी मेरा favorite time है campus में, because everybody is together और सब participate कर रहे हैं. As part of the theme, we're going to remember these great achievers, great citizens of a country who has done tremendous amount of work, and a memory of all these people are going to be there in the mandap, and we're going to celebrate that. Alright, so it's 7 p.m. and आज गणेश विसर्जन है and I'm still in lab. I was doing my work and then I realized कि I have to vlog this, I have to complete this vlog. I record a lot of things and then I don't upload because I usually don't get time to edit everything, because editing itself is a big task. आपकी पर पूरी clips वापस से देखनी होती हैं, then you have to arrange them, do some editing and all these. It's too much work. I also wanted to change but I probably won't be able to change, so I'll be in this attire only, which is bad because अभी विसर्जन होगा, band आ रहे होंगे, and everybody would be in traditional attires. Not a lot of people get dressed up now. धीरे-धीरे मुझे समझ में आ रहा है क्यों, but I'll still go because गणेश भगवान तभी चले जाएंगे, and then काम तो मेरा 4 साल चलना है. Alright, as you can see, there's full festival vibe in the campus. You can hear the dhols, right? ये preparation हो रही है. Normally you would see जब campus शांत होता है तो बहुत शांत होता है. It's like a eerie silence क्योंकि सब अपना अपना काम कर रहे होते हैं. But जब मस्ती हो रही होती है ना तो पूरा campus ऐसे देखो lit up है. You can see wherever you can go. जहाँ तक eyes reach हो रही है वहाँ तक सजा हुआ है. So I remember last year जब गणेश चतुर्थी थी तो मैं first year में था और हमारे बहुत सारे assignments due थे. So I was not able to enjoy any of it because deadlines आ रही थी और बहुत pressure था. And it was really difficult कि आप आ जाओ enjoy कर लो या फिर आरती अटेंड कर लो. It was not quite possible, but now I can enjoy this festival vibe because I am a senior. Not exactly a senior, I'm in second year, but the good thing is I don't have deadlines, very strict deadlines. I have deadlines, but assignment में ऐसा होता है ना कि यार कल सबमिट नहीं किया तो -5 या -10 हो जा रहा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. तो वैसे ये होने वाला है हमारा रथ. It's gonna be very very fascinating because इसमें लाइट वाइट जलेगी ना, बहुत कूल लगेगा वो. अभी तो पूजा चल रही है तो आरती नहीं हुई है, so I'm not late. But see, people have started gathering. But how I said I wanted to go and change. I'm here now and I'm seeing कि almost 90% of the people are in like normal attires only. सब lab से ही आए हैं mostly. You can see like लोग बैग भी टांगे हुए हैं proper. Just don't care. I do, but not that much. Or did I changed? I don't know. I was feeling very tired, and one thing that gives me energy is dressing up good. And if I'm looking good, if I'm feeling good, थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है, थोड़ा confidence ज़्यादा आता है. So I think I have a bit of energy to go out and socialize and be around people. Maybe dance a bit. So let's go. Yep, and you see Bandara, of course. We are serving. This is kheer and that is khichdi. If you want me to describe this feeling, it's an unmatched energy. Just 2 words would be perfect to describe it. Right now you can see अभी रथ वहाँ पे तैयार हो रहा है and it's gonna take at least half an hour for us to walk at least 1 kilometers और वहाँ से पूरा नाचते नाचते पूरा कैंपस का टूर करेंगे. वो I guess 10:30 तो बज ही जाएगा. एंड 10:30 का इतना परमिशन नहीं होती है हमारे पास कुछ यूज़ कि आप बैंड बजाने की. बट वी स्टिल गोना डू इट बिकॉज इट्स गणेश चतुर्थी एंड वी कैन डू एनीथिंग. सो Okay, so I remember when I was in first year, वही same spot पे जहाँ पे अभी लोग डांस कर रहे हैं वहाँ गणेश भगवान थे. And I was going to the library at that point because मेरे पास इतना सारा assignment था. Pretty sure बहुत सारे first years नहीं आए होंगे because उनके assignments होंगे या projects होंगे. That's the kind of thing you have to go through to be more independent and to be more free in your second year. So to all the first years, I hope you are having fun doing your assignments. So this is ISC. And वो है सारे ISCNs proving that we can do every single thing. We can be the best in the research and we can celebrate festivals like anything in this world. Alright, so हर एक festival से ना एक learning निकल के आती है. It might look like that I am able to manage my time properly because I'm doing the social media thing, I'm working in the lab and everything. You must have seen my CGPA and stuff like that. The reality is I don't know how to manage my time. It's been like really hard on me as well. But one thing that I've learned here is somehow people manage. If PhDs want to teach me something, it's time management because I see my seniors, I see people in 3rd year, 4th year, 5th years doing really good work and doing these things simultaneously. So if they can do it, why I can't? We're all the same people. With that note, happy Ganesh Chaturthi and I hope Lord Ganesh will bring you a lot of prosperity, a lot of knowledge and a lot of patience. I'll see you in another one. Bye.